3 random facts about nature. Before I say them, make sure to like and sub. Number 1. Biodiversity hotspots rainforests. Though covering only about 6% of Earth's surface, are home to over 50% of the world's plant and animal species. This incredible biodiversity makes them critical to global ecological health. Number 2. Photosynthesis. Plants, algae, and some bacteria convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose through photosynthesis. This process not only provides energy for the plants, but also produces oxygen, which is essential for most life forms on Earth. Number 3. Deep ocean.